Living in Maricopa means dealing with a desert climate that brings scorching summers, cool winter nights, and plenty of sun exposure. For homeowners, keeping indoor spaces comfortable while managing energy costs is always a priority. One of the most effective upgrades you can make is investing in energy-efficient door replacement. The right doors not only improve your home's insulation but also enhance security, curb appeal, and long-term value. Here's a guide to the best energy-efficient door replacement options for Maricopa residences. Why energy efficiency matters in Maricopa, Arizona's desert heat can take a toll on your home's comfort and utility bills. Traditional doors, especially older or poorly installed ones, often allow hot air to seep inside and cool air to escape. This forces your HVAC system to work overtime, increasing energy use and costs. Energy-efficient doors are designed with advanced materials and insulation features to reduce heat transfer, maintain consistent indoor temperatures, lower energy bills throughout the year, protect interiors from harmful UV rays. By upgrading your doors, you can save money while keeping your Maricopa home more comfortable year-round. Fiberglass doors. Durable and efficient fiberglass doors are one of the top choices for energy efficiency in Maricopa homes. Insulation benefits. Many fiberglass doors come with a foam core that significantly reduces heat transfer. Durability. They resist warping, cracking, and fading, even in harsh desert sun. Style flexibility. Fiberglass can mimic the look of real wood or be painted to match your home's design. For homeowners who want long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance, fiberglass doors are an excellent investment. Steel doors. Strong and secure steel doors aren't just about security, they also offer great energy efficiency when properly insulated. Energy savings. Most steel doors include an insulated foam core that helps block outdoor heat. Strength. Steel resists impacts and is less likely to warp in extreme temperatures. Cost-effectiveness. Steel is often more affordable than wood or fiberglass while still providing excellent efficiency. For Maricopa homeowners prioritizing both safety and energy performance, steel doors strike the perfect balance. Glass doors with energy saving features. Patio doors and entry doors with glass panels can still be energy efficient when you choose the right upgrades. Low E glass. Reflects heat while letting in natural light, helping to keep interiors cool. Double or triple pane options, filled with insulating gases like argon to reduce heat transfer. Tinted or frosted glass, provides privacy while minimizing solar heat gain. For residents who love natural light and outdoor views, these options make glass doors both stylish and efficient. Weather stripping and professional installation. Even the best energy-efficient door won't perform well if it's not properly installed. Small gaps around the frame can lead to drafts, moisture intrusion, and higher utility bills. Weather stripping ensures an airtight seal around the door. Thresholds and sweeps keep out dust, heat, and pests, especially important in Maricopa's desert environment. Expert installation guarantees your door fits perfectly, maximizing efficiency and durability. Professional installation protects your investment and ensures you enjoy all the benefits of your new door. Added benefits of energy-efficient doors beyond lower energy bills. Replacing your old doors with energy-efficient models brings additional advantages: improved comfort, eliminate hot and cold spots near doors. Noise reduction. Insulated doors help block outside noise for a quieter home. Curb appeal. Stylish new doors instantly refresh your home's appearance. Resale value. Energy-efficient features are attractive to buyers in Maricopa's competitive housing market. These benefits make energy-efficient door replacement a smart long-term investment. Final thoughts. In Maricopa's desert climate, choosing the right doors can make all the difference in energy savings and comfort. Fiberglass doors deliver durability and insulation, Steel doors offer strength with efficiency, and glass doors with low-E technology let in natural light without the heat. Combined with proper weather stripping and professional installation, these energy-efficient options help keep your home cool, stylish, and secure. If you're ready to upgrade, explore door replacement solutions that balance efficiency, beauty, and value. Because in Maricopa, the right doors don't just open your home, they protect your comfort year after year.